Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk coming to you from the beautiful Norwegian gem, and today is the glow party, or I should say tonight. We're going to head up to the pool deck tonight and check out probably one of the biggest parties this ship holds during the entire cruise. It's an 11-day cruise, lots of parties, but this is a big one. So let's head upstairs to the pool deck in a little while. It's still light out, and check out the glow party here on the Norwegian gem, shall we? Here we are on the pool deck. It's just getting started here, and already there's quite a crowd. You're pretty much encouraged to wear either white or bright colors if you possibly can. There's blue lights on the deck tonight to accentuate a lot of the colors and make things kind of like glow, hence the word glow party. I already got my drink on, and I'm looking at the topsider bar on this deck, and it is packed. And I'm looking up on the deck above us that overlooks this party. That's the Bally High bar, and it's packed as well. I think it's going to be a fun night. I've been getting a lot of comments and questions about cruising in general, cruise ships, excursions, things like that. People asking questions, people letting me know that they're going on a cruise, and the cruising community is really a tight community. And I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the Norwegian Gem, the ship that we're on right now. The places that it sails to, this particular ship, are the Caribbean, the Mediterranean, Bermuda. It does transatlantic cruises, the Panama Canal, the Bahamas, Canada and New England, as well as the Greek Isles. This ship pretty much travels the world. The Gem is a mid-size ship. The cruise before this I was on the Getaway, which is much larger. This is considered mid-size. It's about 94,000 gross tons. It holds 2,394 guest passengers, and the crew is 1,070. So that's a total of about, I'm going to say, 3,400 people on this ship. Its overall length is 965 feet. Its width is 125 feet, and this particular ship was refurbished in 2022, just a year ago, and it was built in 2007. It's an older ship, but it was just refurbished. This particular cruise I was on included 6 ports of call, including Bermuda, St. Martin, St. Thomas, the Dominican Republic, as well as Puerto Rico. And of course, the cruise line counts New York City, which is where I left and came back home to, as a port of call as well. So they include that. That totals 6 ports of call. The cruise was 10 nights, 11 days, which is kind of long for a Caribbean, including Bermuda, cruise. But I enjoyed every moment of it. I had a beautiful balcony cabin, which had an open-up sofa as well. Now, I cruised by myself, and the cruise came to somewhere around $2,000, but this is all inclusive. I think my bill at the end of the cruise, when I went to just close out my entire tab, came to like $40. Everything is included, including the food, the drinks, the gratuities, everything. Even the excursions, they give you a $50 credit for every excursion that you go on, and not too many excursions go over that $50. When they do, that's included in your, you have to pay extra for that in your ticket price, but that's a rare exception. For the most case, the excursions are completely included in the cruise. I gave myself a gambling budget of $300, which if you consider 11 days on a cruise ship, $300 is not much in a casino. However, I didn't take this trip to do a lot of gambling. I just did a slot pull pull for the channel's sake, and that was pretty much it. And I actually did pretty well if you saw that video on the slot pull. But cruise ships, they have their rewards cards, but they very hard to get comped cruises and upgrades and stuff like that on a cruise ship. So didn't do too much gambling on the ship. Like I said, I gave myself a budget of about $300, and I came home with a little more than that, so I did pretty well, and I got a nice video out of it. Hope you saw it. Hey guys, if you enjoy watching videos on the New York channel, please subscribe to it. And if you're enjoying this video in particular, why not give it a thumbs up? It really does help the channel out. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. There's a really good turnout for this glow party, and when you think about it, there are a lot of people and a lot of activity going on downstairs as well as usual on a ship. There are shows to be seen, there are restaurants to eat in, there are bars and lounges with live entertainment, there's shopping, lots going on downstairs as well, so never a dull moment on a ship. If you weren't enjoying this party, just do something else. There's always something else to do, but I'm having a great time on this pool deck right now. As I said, there's lots of restaurants on the Norwegian Gem, some of them complimentary, which means they're included, and that includes 2 main dining rooms, a help-yourself buffet, and a variety of casual cafes, grills, and on-to-go choices. Plus, the main dining room offers a menu that changes daily. If you're interested in one of the specialty dining rooms, you have to pay a little bit more for that, and that includes Cagney's Steakhouse, which serves wonderful Angus beef, as well as an Italian restaurant called La Cucina and a French restaurant called Le Bistro. Again, those are specialty restaurants that cost just a little bit more than the complimentary ones. And by the way, just so you know, my ticket price of around $2,000 included 2 or 3 dinners at those specialty restaurants, so they were included in my ticket price as well. And just in case you were wondering, no matter what time of the day or night it is, 24/7, there is usually always a place to eat or drink on a cruise ship. My next cruise this coming spring. It'll be a much shorter cruise, probably 4 or 5 days, which is kind of average for a cruise. This one was particularly long, the one that I'm on right now. I don't know whether it'll be on Norwegian Cruise Line or perhaps Royal Caribbean, which I've never sailed on before. And I don't even know the destination. Maybe Bermuda or perhaps Canada and New England, which I've never done before. So I'm looking forward to that. It's going to be a shorter cruise. It'll be probably this coming spring. Haven't booked anything yet. Cruises you normally book a year in advance, but a lot of good deals can be had if you do it a lot closer to the embarkation day. So those are my plans, and I will keep you guys in touch in the community room what I'm doing as far as cruising this coming spring.
Oh yeah, go Claudius, so sexy Claudius.
Hey guys, if you're enjoying the New York channel, why not help support it by clicking on that thanks button underneath the video? I really do appreciate all your support.
Moving on! All the way from Peru, Molly Lady on TV. Next up, all the way from Bosnia, let's hear it for Amir. Oh yeah, shake it like a salt shaker. And of course, not forgetting DJ Vigo. And last but not least, I can't do my job without this man. All the way from the Philippines, your assistant cruiser number 1 Mars. Alright, now we're gonna get this party going.
If I get too low, if I get
Ready, come on.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.